Hello, this is Claude here again with an exciting tutorial about how to take your template and now add stickers to it so you can bring out some excitement in the template. Okay, so what you see here is I've selected a template that has a little puppy on it called the pug, and it's got two text boxes here. So we're just going to add a sticker. So when you've done that, hit this add sticker tab here, and you'll get a pop-down library will appear right on the top. You have a lot of emojis from arrows to basic charts, etc. And let's just select one. Let's select a hand emoji here. Let's see what happens. So you got a hand emoji here. Let's say we want to select this one. We select it here, and it'll appear on the screen. So we can then move it to where we want by just clicking on the picture and moving it. These little circles here, we can then make it bigger. You can make this bigger. If you get lost and you do not know how to select this, just go down to this select item menu and select the hand gesture. It'll highlight the elements here. Now if you want the hand to point to Pebbles or the pug, all you have to do is go to the second circle above just here, and when you click on that, and then you can rotate this. Let's see if we can do this. Why is this not rotating? You can rotate this by, see how it's rotating? Just click on that and then drag it, okay? And then you can rotate it and then point it to Pebbles. It's that simple. Let's see if I can take shadow, put a shadow here. Let's see if I change the shadow to say orange and see what happens. Select orange. Okay. The shadow. So that is for shadow around probably the distance, sorry, around text, not for emojis. Alright, so that's how you can take a sticker, add it to the screen, and then rotate it. Remember, when you're rotating it, click on that and then hold it on the picture. Let's try it again. Click on it, hold it and then drag. Don't let go, okay? So that's simple. So if you like these tutorials, short help files, just subscribe to my channel, because I keep constantly updating different apps with different help files that could possibly help you with your business and take you to the next level. So please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll appreciate that. This is Claude here in Brisbane. Thank you very much.